Monster truck. Isa. Balong. Monster truck. Okay. Naapod na yung Dear Balong. Dear Balong. This special book, sige na, sunod, was made just for you. You are the main character. So, enjoy the magic as you read. Lots of love, Tita Ching. Wow! Ay na! Sige, basta sa ta. Wow! Sige. Ana, good. Wow! Ana. Did you catch the big jump, Papa? Oh? Did you catch the big jump, Papa? Balong said, as they watched the big la monster truck yun oh. Balong said, as paminaw, as they watch the big monster truck in the large stadium. He must have jumped at least 10 cars. Wow, ano yun siya mag-jump? Boom! At nagtaas kaayo. Yes! I saw that, said Papa. But I like when they spin around making donuts. Wow! Wow! The monster truck, blue and red.